Kusangana kwatikuita zvekare pano paHatsirare 263 pano pachage nchikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel kusubscribe mahara utena on the notification bell so that patinoramba tichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera panapa uchange uchiwana manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka ndati subscribe share this video kuhamani shamwari zvinobatsira kuti hamani shamwari vange vachiona this video. Vadikanise kuzokwa munozvita nyaya dzepanapa ndinoya nadzo ndakadzibatanidza kuya nadzo kwandinoiuya nadzo ndakadzibatanidza. Toda kutanga ndakuisirai video remaovheti ari kuvakisirwa maboy sky. Maovheti ari kuvakisirwa maboy sky kumisha vachinzi tiri kukuitirai basa rehombe. So kuti muone video iroro wapedza kuona video tozvonofika comment section ndibva ndarova last update after wapedza kuona video iri. Let's this video.
Tasvika pamba pavadzenga muwar veteran pari kuitwa zvishamiso kuburikidza naHis Excellency Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa. Paintroduced chirongwa chehousing scheme, mawar veterans achange achivakirwa dzimba. Umwe neumwe muwar vet anofanira kubenefita chirongwa cheimba. Ndizvo tiri kuona pano pari kuvakwa zvemhando yepamusoro-soro. Hello makomana. Makatanga kuvaka rini ko? Nezuro. Nezuro manheru? Ya. Pakashata. Muri kufamba nendima. Saka ndima tohwina contract yekuvaka muno. Right. Saka muri kunzwa sei imimisi? Anditi.
Next update video rava Apostle Chiwenga. Pane vanozoti hatirare video tantariona vantu vanoti hatirare video tantakariona. Tinge chiitira vasati vaona this video. So da kusiya mjiona video iroro wapedza kuona video tazvonofika comment section. Pane mashoko avanga vachitaura iti zviri kunzi hanzi nyika kwaya kuenda. Kwanga vachiti hanzi zvine ropa mukati. So ndomutauro wanga uchiitwa nyaya idzi handigoni kudziwedzeredza kana kuzitapudza ndofamba nadzo zvezvadziri. Ndatione video.
With all the love that we have for our nation, but the situation is not good. I maintain the words that I said in 2017 and in 2018. It was a better option. It was a better option for our Vice President to not have joined Mr. Mnangagwa's government. I'm sure when he looks in hindsight now, he can see the experience that he has had and discovered that he could have achieved more by being perhaps an advisor outside the presidium. But all hopes are not lost. It is possible for something good to come out of him because he has learned a lot of lessons. I would like you to know that a person can have many weaknesses, but nobody has no weakness in all the world. But when it comes to the position of leadership, there are weaknesses that are better than others. For example, when you deal with a person who is inexperienced, he is better than a person who is a thief. Because with a thief, there will be nothing for anyone except himself and his cronies and his minions and his muppets. I hope you are understanding the language with which I am speaking. One thing that I can tell you today that Vice President Chiwenga is not, is that he is not a thief. He doesn't have a desire for money. He is not greedy with money. And yet we are in a nation where money is our biggest problem. Most of our problems need money to fix them. We can't build roads without money. We can't refurbish our hospitals without money. We can't pay our servants without money. I will not speak beyond what I have said now. Those who have worked closer to him, those who know him personally, those who have read him in the newspapers, and those who hear from God can all agree about what I've just said. The last prophecy I have is that we are sitting on a difficult situation right now, a very difficult situation as a nation, a very difficult situation. I'm telling you right now that the nation is bleeding, the nation is in trouble, but there is a chance that the nation can get into a deeper trouble. For one reason, there is a cunning man who is occupying a very powerful position, who is well known for his expertise in killing people. This is a very, very difficult situation for our nation, because we are going to need to ask God that he saves people who are useful, so that we don't end up with a population of people who can't do anything. We need at least people who are brave, a few of them. We need at least people who are able to take action, even if they delay taking action, but who have the capacity to take action. What I see is not something new. We spoke about it 8 years ago, 7 years ago, that we are going to lose leaders because we have people who are good at eliminating competitors, eliminating competition through very, very organized clandestine assassination operations. I see a very, very bad development happening. We hope it won't. Where we lose someone simply because he felt that he was safe. He did not understand that when it comes to power, some people do not have a friendship that lasts more than 24 hours. I can't mention people's names. I have already spoken. Before we dismiss, I have a point.